Meaning of in medias res.
In medias res.
In medias res.
In medias res.
In medias res. In medias res is a Latin phrase that means in the midst of things. It refers to a literary technique where the narrative starts in the middle of an action or event, rather than at the beginning. This technique is often used to create immediate tension and interest in the story and to avoid exposition or lengthy backstory. By starting in medias res, the audience is immediately thrust into the midst of the story and must piece together the details as the narrative progresses. It is a common technique used in epic poems and novels, as well as modern film and television.